This procedure uses Azure Logic Apps to stop/start VMs on Azure using any schedule. This is an alternative instead of Azure Automation. Also, you can use this method for Windows Virtual Desktop, WVD. Open Azure Portal, click plus Create a Resource, type Logic App and press Enter. Open it and click on Create, it will start creating the Logic App. At this point, you can use an existing resource group or create a new one. I recommend you to create a test environment before use on production. Logic App will be created and you can click to configure. On Templates section, click on Blank Logic App to create your first workflow. Type Schedule on search bar. Click on Schedule. The trigger option will appear and then select Recurrence. On interval field type 1. Select week on frequency field. Use the other options for parameters field. After selecting all, you don't have to select start time, you can define each one. Time zone, based on your location, you can define your currently time zone. In my case, I'm using UTC -3 o'clock Brasilia. On search type Azure VM and select Deallocate Virtual Machine, Preview. Select your tenant. Also, you have two options here and it's very important in short explanation. Sign in, click here to execute the Logic App with your credentials. Connect with Service Principal, recommended for execution using a specific service principal. Ensure it has permissions in the resource group with the virtual machine contributor role. For this lab, I'll choose the sign-in option. Select the parameters for the virtual machine. Subscription ID. Resource group. Virtual machine. To add more virtual machines, just click on plus sign. The pop-up will appear with the option Insert a next step. Select the option Add a parallel branch. Now a new parallel task will open. This step is easy, but if you have more than 5 virtual machines to include could be a problem. To avoid this, just click on Save and then click on Logic App Code View. Now you can set up the start time. Click on plus New Step button, type Schedule, click on Delay Schedule to add another recurrence. The tip here is to input X hours after the first recurrence to execute another task. For this test I will use 8 hours. Click on plus New Step and type Azure VM. Select Start Virtual Machine option. Now you have to do the same from previous steps when you had added the same virtual machines. Also, you can repeat the same steps opening the Logic App Code View and adding the required virtual machines. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, it really helps us out. If you have any suggestions, feel free to comment or reach us via the email